Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Blessing here. In this video I am going to be showing you how to make jumbo box braids with rubber band method. Guys, please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe now. If you do enjoy watching this video, share this video to your loved ones, guys. So guys, as you can see right now, I've done the rubber band method. So if you want to know how I part this set to achieve my rubber band
I will be leaving the link in the description box so that you can know how to part your hair. So right now we're about to do the box braids, as you can see right now, guys. So like in this video, guys, I'm not going to be talking too much because I don't want to make mistake here, guys. Okay, what you will do for me, guys, you have to sit down and grab your popcorn and make sure you watch this video to the end so that you can be able to know how I achieve this box braids. Okay, so really what I do, I use my front mirror and I use my back mirror, which is my camera. That is what I do here. Even when I was even parting the hair, the same thing I do. Okay guys, that is why I told you guys to watch the link of how I part the hair for rubber band method. Okay guys, please subscribe, or please help your girl and subscribe to this channel because I want you to be notified each time I upload any of my video. Okay guys, so yeah, we are just achieving the box braid right now. Okay guys, sorry guys for the extension I use 4 packet of expression braids. Yes, color 1. I'm sorry guys that I never said this for the first time, please. So like each packet come with 2 bundle. Yes, it's like 2 in 1, you know. Yes, so I use 4 packets of extension braids, you know, to achieve 48 pieces of hair braid. Yes, so as you can see right now, yeah, that is how I will be doing these braids step by step until I will now achieve what I work for, which is box braids bob. Okay, quickly subscribe now, guys. Subscribe guys, please. What are you waiting for? Did you want to see more of my video? So if you want to see more of my video, guys, do that for me now and for yourself, just for you to get a new update of new hairstyle. Guys, go in there and subscribe now. Okay, as you subscribe, guys, make sure you share this video to your loved ones. Okay, thank you guys.
here, guys, I will be doubling the attachment. Yes, because I want all the hair to become equal, so that is why we have to be doubling the attachments. So guys, you want to know how I bob this hair? So if you want to know how I bob this hair, guys, subscribe now. As you can see the subscription there, please subscribe now. Okay, subscribe. Okay guys, so what I do here, guys, I bring out the pin. I don't know what they call it, but I just use it to hold the braid, and I just, you know, like I am folding and threading the braid, something like that. I don't know how I'm going to explain this to you guys, but as you guys can see, as you can see with your eye, guys, you definitely, I believe that you will know how I achieve this you know, this bob braid. I believe you understand how I achieve it, guys, please. Okay, so that is how I will be doing it step by step until I achieve my box braid bob. Okay guys, so I'm going to be using this ring to, you know, hold the hair as a design. Yeah, you know, we guys we like fashions. So please guys, subscribe now, subscribe. So really, what I achieve here, guys, what I achieve here, I achieve, you know, 48 strand of braid. Yes, 48 pieces of braid is what I achieve here, guys. Please guys, I believe that you enjoying watching this video, guys, and I know that you learn something from it. So if this video is helpful to you guys, please don't fail to subscribe. So as you're subscribing, share this video, like, guys. You can see the way I am you know, rocking my, you know, box braid bob. You see, guys, go and do the same thing to yourself right now. Okay, go and do the same thing to yourself. So all you will have to do is to bring out your front and back mirror, and you know, yeah, continue doing your braids. Yes, it's not every time that we'll be spending money. Yeah, we have to, sometimes we have to, you know, save our money. Yes, so please guys, I hope you can see the way I am rocking my hair right now. Please guys, if this video is helpful to you guys, don't fail to subscribe and share. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.